Hi, I'm Dr. Raleigh McAllister. I am a family physician and co-author of the Mommy MD Guide to Pregnancy and Birth. I am here today to talk about the benefits of cord blood banking. Cord blood is the blood that remains in the baby's umbilical cord that attaches to the placenta after the birth of the baby. And collecting that blood is very simple. Needle and syringe, the doctor or midwife can collect that blood. Cord blood is a very rich source of stem cells, and those stem cells right now are being used to treat over 80 different diseases. They're also being used in FDA-regulated clinical trials to understand the potential benefits of using these stem cells in conditions like autism, pediatric stroke, traumatic brain injury. One company, Cord Blood Registry, is particularly involved in these FDA-regulated trials. And you know, sometimes we just can't predict what good will come from banking our baby's cord blood. 90% of all cord blood in the United States is disposed of as medical waste, but thank goodness 10% of people save their baby's cord blood, and Shelly Connolly was one of those parents who did that. Shelly, what happened?
Well, we banked my daughter's cord blood at birth, not knowing that anything was going to happen, that we were going to use it. But actually, when my daughter, right before her first birthday, she was diagnosed with a brain tumor. The doctors were able to take the tumor out, but unfortunately, then she suffered this massive stroke, and it affected the entire right side of her body. And so we were devastated as parents, but we went straight into recovery mode. What can we do? What are our options for treatment? And that's when we remembered that little spark that we banked her cord blood. So we were able to use that cord blood, and it was reinfused into her body just through a simple IV. And it has helped tremendously. She has regained so much function, so much strength, so much movement on the right side of her body. Her speech and her language are just impeccable. So we are so fortunate and we're so grateful that we banked her cord blood.
Oh, thank goodness you did. You know, other mothers can learn more about, why to bank, how to bank at a website, cordblood.com. Remember, parents, you only have one opportunity to bank and store your baby's cord blood, and that's in the moments after your baby's birth. So make sure you educate yourself and make the right decision for your family.